Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add AI mail assistant in IONOS Webmail. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually come here to your IONOS dashboard here at the top, click on menu, and then click on email, okay? And I just want to make one thing clear, by the way, the IONOS AI email assistant, this is actually optional. It's a chargeable extension. It's not included as standard in Webmail. So first what you need to do is select your domain here, and then next to your email address where you want to add AI assistant, just click on this plus icon to order it, okay? And then you will get this pop-up where you will need to go ahead and confirm the plan. So here we go. Right here, we'll use this one, and then just go ahead and toggle this one on that you agree to the terms, and then just click on order now. After this, it will actually be added. Okay, they're just going to verify your payment details. After it is done being processed, what you can do, you can come here to IONOS. Okay, the mail itself to your mailbox, can open that up. You can activate it through here, or what you can do is you can go ahead and just come over here and toggle it on under AI Assistant, or you can click on that specific email address, right? And you just scroll down here until you see this section right here, AI Email Assistant. As you can see, it is inactive. You just click on this, and we will be able to toggle this on. So just go ahead and enable this. And as you can see, it will refresh and it will be enabled, and you'll be able to use it in your webmail as well. Really that easy. And that is how to add AI Mail Assistant in IONOS Webmail.